If you or your partner desire to become married within the United States of America, at least one of you will be required to either be a citizen of the United States or a legal permanent resident of the United States. This is amongst the most important aspects of the marriage process involving couples who are romantically involved and wish to wed in the United States. You are encouraged to remember that individuals solely in possession of visas will be unable to sponsor a non-citizen partner to enter the United States. Once you have submitted the Form I-129F, in addition to any other applicable forms, you will be permitted to be considered for the receipt of a fiancé visa. Your fiancé visa will be called a K-1 fiancé visa. However, if you have children with your partner and the children are not citizens of the United States, they will be required to apply for their own respective fiancé visas. These may include the K-2, K-3, or K-4 visas. Before we get started, it is important that you remain aware that once you have received your fiancé visa, you will only be permitted to legally remain within the United States of America for a period not exceeding 90 days. Unmarried non-citizens remaining in the United States after 90 days' time on a fiancé visa may be charged with immigration fraud. However, once you are married, you will be required to complete other immigration forms that allow for the awarding of legal residence. However, in this tutorial, we will only discuss the steps taken to complete Form I-129F. Now, let's get started with completing Form I-129F. This form is 10 pages long. The application section is 3 pages, and the instructions section is 7 pages. This form has a filing fee of $340 US. The information requested by this form will ask you for the following: the name and information belonging to the applicant, the name of the fiancé who is either a citizen or legal permanent resident of the United States, employment information, and the country of origin of both partners. However, in order to become eligible for a K-1 visa, you will be required to prove your status as legal fiancés upon explaining the origin of your relationship. After you have completed Form I-129F, you will have the option of completing the G-1145 form, which is the request for electronic notification of approval with regard to immigration applications. To watch more videos, please make sure to visit laws.com.